Hello guys. How are you? So I'm back with a new video. It's your girl Dalida. Today I will speak only English in my channel. So I don't have a good pronunciation uh, because I'm lazy. I don't do a lot of effort to speak a good English, but take me as I am. So I will do the video in English, only English. So let's go together today. So if you don't do that yet, you have to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a thumbs up, whatever. And today we're gonna do coffee together as Asian does. So let's go. Let's go. My English is little. My English is so you understand. So we're gonna do coffee together because I really want to drink coffee right now, but it's late, but I need to drink it. So let's go. Give me a thumbs up, please. Let's go together. What do you need to do coffee as Asian? So first of all, you need water, water. Um, you need this. I don't know. I can call it, so I don't know in English. But you need sugar. It's white sugar, and this is coffee powder, and yeah, everything is there. We're gonna do coffee. First of all, we're gonna put the water in a recipient to boil it. Let's go. This. Okay, the water is ready. So I put hot water in the grab coffee. Okay. And I put hot water there too because you have to save it. Okay, let's go. Now it's sugar time. Okay, I'm waiting for my water to continue. I just brought my coffee again to have a better result. So, I'm so excited.